ginagawa na po namin yung final destination ng aka the septic tank. So tara!
GLI Bahay Build
Part 9. Well, hindi lang po para sa yung septic tank. Lahat po ng wastewater ng bahay nyo, pupunta po dito. First, lineout muna namin yung sukat ng septic tank, and then pagkatapos, naghukay na din po kami. Make sure tama po yung sukat kasi may required volume na nakadepende po sa household nyo. For example, there's 3 to 4 people living in the house. Ang required volume po is 1,000 to 1,500 gallons. Now, aside from the size, importante din yung location ng septic tank. Dapat malayo po siya sa deep well water source para hindi po makontaminate yung tubig. Dapat madali din po ito i-access for easy maintenance. And lastly, hindi dapat ma-affect yung structural integrity ng bahay nyo. Always follow your design. Nakalimutan ko po i-film yung part na to, so just use your imagination. Naglagay na po kami ng gravel bedding at linatag na rin po namin yung mga fabricated rebars. It literally went from this to this. Kung mapapansin nyo rin po, may mga nakaabang na bakal. Yan po yung mga dowels para sa CHB wall ng septic tank. Essentially, this will turn into this. After namin ma-prepare yung bakal, binuhusan na po namin yung bottom slab ng septic tank. If you've been following along our bahay build series, we use the same cement ratio, 1:3:5. 1 eagle cement, 3 buhangin, and 5 graba. Also, may nagtanong din po kung ano po yung difference ng red and blue na eagle cement. They're exactly the same. Iiba lang po yung kulay based on the location kung saan nyo po na-purchase yung eagle cement nyo. Diba? The more you know. Ta-na-na-na. Kung nahahasa na po kayo sa process na to, which by the way, hindi pa po siya tapos, may alternative naman po. By using a plastic septic tank like this. Maghuhukay lang po kayo at ilalagay niyo lang po yung plastic septic tank doon. Sobrang dali. But, and this is a big but, it's not as durable at maliit lang po yung capacity niya. Okay, pricing. I-screenshot nyo lang po in 3, 2, 1. GLI Bahay Build.